All right, Purple Rube back here with another mystery box. Again, two co-hosts. We have Nicholas and Andrew here to help me out with the unboxing of a $110 Locksmith Comics Skeleton Key comic book mystery box. It was $110, limited to 75 total options. I believe on his Instagram, which I will link below. There are still some available for sale. All right, let's get into the scissors, please. Thank you. So let's be careful not to open this or injure any comic books in this process. All right. Now there were some keys and stuff like that. I forgot what they are available. He has them posted on his Instagram. I purchased mine during the pre-release period for, again, $110. That included shipping. So we will see what we got. I'm going to feel around here. What's going on? All right, there is... I think it'll be a quick video. There doesn't appear to be a lot. Yep, thank you for that unconditional support, Andrew. Oh, wow, all right. We have the Wolverine. It's kind of the negative version variant one. Very cool. Be careful with this. Alright. Oh, we got a Comic Tom exclusive Headless #1 from Scout Comics. And that is a do not hit the it is a Comic Tom exclusive. And what else do we got here? Green. We have an Old Man Logan.
Old Man Logan. No, but green.
Alright. So that's an interesting one. I don't know much about that one. I did love the movie. And now we've got something that looks interesting here. Could be very good. I think this will determine how well I did on my mystery box. Was it this? No, actually there's more. So this one was stuck to the tape. So Kylo, the Rise of Kylo Ren, #1. Star Wars.
Star Wars.
All right. And the piece de resistance. We have... Is it? It is in plastic. Let's see. We have Vampirella, #0, number V4, Dynamite. I'll try to get a good look at that. So that's what we got, 9.8. Very good. So that was the mystery boxes. That's what $110 got me. Let me know what you guys think of the collection. Again, we have this, 9.8. Now, just getting a CGC comic doesn't mean you got a huge hit because, you know, without looking at the value, some of them just aren't worth that much. So, it was a very interesting box. I would definitely appreciate your guys' thoughts on how you think it went in the comments below. Until next time, I'll unbox you later. And remember, wash your hands. Stay safe.
And wherever you go, have your mask on.
You heard it here first. Until next time.
And God is good.